There we go. Hello everyone. It's your boy Sam, and we're at Seneca. I always forget what it's called. Seneca Rock State Park? Yeah, Severna Rock? No, Seneca Rock. I think it's Seneca Rock. Yeah, that's where I am. Anyway, we've already found two really cool spiders. One hit my face, and the other one was a little little jumpy pup we found. And yeah, so busting out the cami. We're gonna go check out some trails. I don't know what's in store, but one way to find out. Let's get in there, get in the woods, and see what we got. See if we can find some creatures. Who knows? I got some little books here, so let's go. Well, you can see here, I got a face full of Spidey. I knew he was on me somewhere. Sure enough. Here he is. I forget what these things are called. They're really cool though. They're like macranthia, but they look like bird poop. Come on, focus. Show the bird poop, Spidey. Come on. Oh yeah, here, look. Boom. Ooh, look at the bird poop, Spidey. I forget what they're called. There's like a common name. It's like a spiky. I forget. If I post this, I'll put a little title. I mean, a little caption. Yep, got a little face full of Spidey. Let the boy go. Let the boy go here. Back to his tree. So he can cling on to someone else's face. I'm sure you guys all appreciate that. Because I know how much everyone likes a spider to the face. Come on, get up there. Look at the green beauty. You know you want to be there, not on my sunnies. You silly goose. Aw. See you later, Macranthia. Canthina. Spiny orb weaver, whatever you are. Bird poop boy. See you later. He says bye. Dude, I haven't even like gotten out of my car barely, and it's been Spidey Central, dude. Look at this jumpy. Jumps are the jumps are really cool. No, but they're my favorite spider. I seriously love jumpies. Look at this little jumpy. Oh, he is adorable. Look at that. And I'm sure everyone else is like, disgusting, vile creature. But look how cute he is. It's adorable. He's like a little fuzz pup. Look at that little fuzz pup. He's just staring at me. It's like upside down. Alright, ready? These guys, I swear, they're so inquisitive. So funny. They're like always checking you out. See how like most... Look at him, dude. He's like ready to jump on me, I swear to God. Oh, so adorable. I'm gonna hold my breath so I can get a really still shot. Yes, do cute spider things. Come on. Clean your little fangs. Good boy. Attaboy. Little jumpy. One. It blends right in here. Look at that. Little crab Spidey. Oh. Niggity. Wanna come along for a hike, bud? So cute. Hey, Jumpy. I'm sorry, I'll leave you alone. I don't want to scare the Jumpy. This whole thing is intimidating. Just gonna record the whole thing. Who cares? Why not? Look at this sick road view, dude. This is, I'm not expecting much here. Have to go to some other cool places, but this place just happened to be close by. So, it's right in your backyard. Some cool stuff here. Let's see what we can find. You know, on a treasures lie in your backyard. You never know, do you? You'll notice I tend to take on an accent. Oh, honeysuckle village, dude. It smells so good. Where are the honeysuckles though? I smell them. Is that right? What's this? Look at all these bees. This is sick. Oh yeah. What is this? We're gonna find some cool stuff today. Look, some flies are banging right there. Oh, man, come on. Sorry, flies, I'll leave you out. Let you be. Let you be. Give your privacy. Wouldn't want somebody doing that to me, right? Hell no. Look at all these bees, bro. Ready? We're gonna pet a bee. Which bee? Which bee is busy enough to pet? Look at this guy. He knows. He's ready for a petting. Ooh. No, these guys are active. I'm gonna have to get a quick pet in here, dude. The quickest pet. Oh, a wasp? That's not the one you want to pet. I'm gonna pet a bee next to a wasp, though, because I'm an idiot. He's too deep. Okay. These bees are quick. Alright, this guy, he's ready for a pet. Doink! That was lame. There's a little June bug thing. I thought the GoPro was going to be way better than it is. But honestly, it's like only for water sports, in my opinion, because everything else just sucks for it. Look at this, man. I don't know what these plants are, but supporting mad bees, and I'm down with that. Ready? We're gonna pet one. We're gonna pet another one. This one's like dying. Ready? Ready? Pet. Pet. Oh God, what was that, dude? I don't know what it was, but it buzzed me, dude. Some big different colored bee came out. It was one of those white things. White and black. I think it might be a wasp. But it buzzed me. Whoa, look at this wasp. It's really pretty, but sketch. So sketch. Look how beautiful this thing is. It's a scary evil wasp, but it is so pretty. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Where'd it go? Ah! Freaking out. What's up, guys? Watch out, there's a really cool looking wasp right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's right there. It's got like purple wings.
That's look up there. The red wasp.
I don't know where he is now.
Yep.
Oh, there he is.
You see him?
I don't want to get too close. He's not friendly.
Up here, he's up on that leaf.
Yeah, he's like hiding.
Yeah, he's come up here.
Yeah, scooch over there. He knows he's being watched.
Yeah. Hey, he's right up here. There he is.
Oh, yeah.
Bird orange and 5 wings, isn't he?
Yeah. Take it easy, guys. Where are you, bro? There you are. I can't see it. Oh yeah, there it is. Of course, as soon as I get it, it goes away. Oh my god. Don't hurt me. Now we're going into the dark woods. But that was cool. Lots of bees, lots of bugs. Probably find so many different kinds of bugs in there if you're into that stuff. Some berries right there. That, some more berries. This is cool. I like this, even though the stupid road's right there. Stupid road. Well, if you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please let me know if you like these videos in the comments, even if you hate them. Yeah, it really helps. Trying to get my groove on. So thanks again for watching. You guys are the best. I love you. I hope you like the vids, and stay tuned for more. I got a whole bunch more of more clips from Seneca Park, and that poison ivy video is still coming, so